Well, I'm Will Bennett and we're here on my property, Ashby, near Ross in the Midlands of Tasmania. We farm this property with my wife Nina, and we have 3 young children. I'm 5th generation on this farm here at Ross. My father's semi-retired, so he still helps out on the farm. The property's 2,800 hectares and we run about 10,000 merino sheep. The world's best merino fibre comes from Tasmania, and I feel that's because we're running them conservatively and we're running them in country that's suited to growing merino wool. Also, the way we're breeding them, we're breeding them to have the best possible, finest wool we can on our sheep, the brightest, whitest, cleanest product we can produce, and it's produced very sustainably, and it's a clean green environment. The best part of this job I find is being out in the outdoors and in the natural environment. I love getting out and moving the sheep and checking the sheep, and also the most rewarding part of the job would be at shearing time.